Welcome to our Centre of Excellence for Design, Manufacture and Assembly. In this building, we collaborate with our supply chain, our partners and internal project teams, and it allows us to build off-site the water solutions that we've traditionally provided for our customers on-site in the external environment. So if you want to be involved in construction, in particular in the water construction sector, it represents approximately €50 billion of investment out to 2025 across the UK and Ireland, so plenty of opportunity here in EPS.
I try to put newer, younger staff with older, senior staff who can help and mentor. I make sure that there's time in their week so that they can actually just take time off the jobs that they're doing and help the younger staff.
So if you want to be at the front end of digital engineering, utilising the latest technology around BIM, 3D design, 4D synchro, digital animation, and utilising the best and leading technologies in terms of methodologies and treatment, and various approaches to off-site construction, you definitely need to consider coming to work for EPS.